ChatGPT literally blew up the internet with a whopping 1 million people signing up in just 5 days of its launch, beating all the records set by sites like Facebook, Instagram, Netflix and more. In just 6 weeks, it has gone from zero in valuation to a $29 billion company now. Besides breaking all these records, it's taking its shape to beat world's best search engine giant called Google. It could potentially disrupt its core business. According to New York Times, the Google management allegedly went so far as to issue a code red. Its CEO, Sundar Pichai, is apparently committing internal resources to address the threat, and has conducted a number of meetings regarding the AI strategy. There have been numerous reports regarding Microsoft and Google competing to acquire ChatGPT, in order to use its powers to expand even farther. In simple words, imagine a person who read every single book, learned every single article, and watched every single video that is available in this world, and can quote them all in a matter of seconds. That's ChatGPT. There is a lot we can accomplish with ChatGPT, but right now it is only being used to a small portion of its potential. If you start looking into it, you'll actually discover that using ChatGPT might save you a ton of time if you are a content writer, or even a programmer for that matter. ChatGPT can be a useful debugging tool, because it not only fixes the code, but also explains it. Considering all these things, some people are speculating that this will soon take away our jobs, which is a debatable subject, because it may be both true and false at the same time. If you were amongst the very first users, you would know that the tool was able to address practically every good and bad, but it is now much more constrained. The initial experience of using the tool was almost magical and wild. The quote, "With great power comes great responsibility," is very true, because many internet users actually began asking ChatGPT with questions on how to make explosives, how to write SQL injections, and even how to find websites with known security flaws, so they could exploit them. Obviously, it had to come to an end, and we are now left with a more generic and less powerful form of the tool, which is also a little less threatening. But it is too early to conclude it. The ChatGPT team is continuously releasing new versions and working towards expanding their capacity. So let's see where it leads us in the future. Follow this channel to know more. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Facts and Stories.